Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video today. I know I had a lot of people asking about how to tell the difference between number 1 and number 2 copper, yellow brass, red brass, or bronze. So since I'm processing it all out today, I figured I'd make a quick video and just show you the difference. Number 1 copper pipe is clean, no fittings, no paint, no solder, no oil, nothing on it. Number 1 copper pipe. It could be green. Some yards don't take it green, but most will take it green as long as there's nothing on it. Number 2 copper are going to be all your fittings with the solder inside them. Anything that's painted, that'll go as number 2 copper. These coils, those are from boilers or domestic hot water. That's number 2. You can see this copper on the end, but it's painted, so that's number 2. This is number 2 because it's oily. Then you come over here, I got a couple different kinds of brass. Right here, I got yellow brass. And then here is bronze or red brass. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up the difference. Of the different colors there. The one on the right is really yellow, and the one on the left is kind of red, looks more like copper. Same thing. This is going to be red brass. Here's a piece of pipe. I'm going to cut it. From here to the left is going to go as number 2. And from here to the right is going to go as number 1. I got all these brass fittings here. This will be red brass, red brass, red brass. I even got this real dirty one here. But if I clean it up, it's going to be red brass. Same thing on the end. This top part is going to be yellow brass. If you could tell, I don't know if the camera, how well it's picking it up, but that's yellow. So I'm going to go through all these different parts and pieces and cut everything apart. Separate all my copper pipe, number 1 and number 2. And then separate all my brass. I keep my brass together. I let the bronze, the red brass, the yellow brass, I let it all go together. My yard takes it as mixed brass. And if I separate it out to be bronze or yellow brass, it's only a 5-cent difference right now. So it's really not worth taking all that extra time. And to get this here to go as clean bronze, you'd have to take that spring out on the inside. You have to pull this out, this rod out at the top. Even this piece of copper at the bottom, all would have to come out. Even this tape. Got to have the Teflon tape off. If not, it goes in mixed brass. That's the way my yard takes it. Again, your yard might be different, but that's the way we take it up here. Here you got 2 half-inch fittings. The top one here is just going to go as number 2 copper. But the bottom one, this 90-degree fitting, is brass. So I'm going to cut the end clean here. And I'm going to cut that right there. Get those 2 pieces off. That'll be number 2 copper. And then the fitting again goes in mixed brass. I just wanted to show that to you. Same thing here. I'll cut this little piece of copper off. And then I'll end up with a brass fitting. You got to remember to check your fittings. You can tell the difference usually just by the weight and picking them up. The number 2 copper Just regular copper fitting is way, way lighter than one that has brass. And you'll find them on all different parts. This is a brass fitting attached to copper pipe. Usually they're very, very rough. You can see the texture there. That's a brass valve, which obviously we know is brass. But you can see that it's got some texture to it, where regular pipe is pretty smooth. Just wanted to point that out as well. So, like I said, I just wanted to make a quick video. Hopefully my camera focused through most of this, so you can see the difference between number 1 pipe, number 2 pipe, yellow brass, and red brass, also called bronze. I got all these pails, buckets down here I gotta sort through and cut apart. And then we're gonna start filling up. I got a couple Gaylord boxes that this is all going into. Hope to have them filled in the next couple weeks so I could cash them in. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you.